फीदर जिसके ऊपर से लिखते थे कुरान पाक, तख्ती है, बांस है हड्डियों के ऊपर, ये रेल है, कुरान पाक की जिल्द है, ये स्क्रोल है, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह रब्बिल आलमीन, और ये रेल का पीस है। तो मैं समझता हूँ कि
Islamic art is known for its intricate designs, vibrant colors and deep symbolism. The upcoming exhibition of Islamic art in Pakistan is set to showcase the talent and creativity of local artists. We will explore the journey of one talented artist, Muhammad Azeem Iqbal, whose paintings have gained recognition and appreciation both nationally and internationally. Azeem, a gifted painter, discovered his passion for art at an early age. From school days, he showed immense talent and his teachers recognized his potential. He received training and attended refresher courses to further enhance his skills. Azeem's dedication and hard work paid off, and he became an inspiration for his peers. Azeem's talent extends beyond traditional paintings. He excels in various art forms, including carpentry, shopkeeping, and board making. His versatility in different subjects and mediums sets him apart from other artists. Azeem's unique style and attention to detail have captivated art enthusiasts around the world. Azeem's talent did not go unnoticed. His paintings were featured in various exhibitions, including the prestigious exhibition of Islamic art. Azeem's artwork received widespread recognition and was highly appreciated by art critics and collectors. Azeem's dedication and passion for his craft have earned a special place in the art community. The government of Pakistan recognized Azeem's exceptional talent and decided to present his artwork as a gift to international ambassadors. His paintings now adorn the walls of the embassy in Islamabad, representing the rich cultural heritage of Pakistan. This recognition not only honors Azeem but also showcases the artistic brilliance of the country. Azeem's journey continues and he is currently working on new paintings for an upcoming exhibition. The exhibition, scheduled to open in January, will feature a collection of his latest creations. Visitors can expect to see a diverse range of artwork, including traditional Islamic motifs and contemporary pieces. Muhammad Azeem is now going to write the longest Quran in the world, the length of which will be 7 kilometers. One verse will be written on 1 meter of cloth. This cloth will not be affected by rain and sun. The Holy Quran will be displayed on the hills of Mecca. Azeem's story is a testament to the power of passion, dedication, and hard work. His journey from a young artist to an internationally recognized painter is an inspiration to aspiring artists. The upcoming exhibition of Islamic art in Pakistan will not only showcase Azeem's talent but also highlight the artistic contributions of the country. Stay tuned for the opening of this remarkable exhibition.